Ya.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Welcome Bali. Good morning, happy Saturday. I'm going out for the day, so I thought I'd do a separate one to show you where I go, what I do, that kind of stuff. But today I'm going out on a trip, so we booked a driver. Literally you can book any driver for the day, so we basically told him where we want to go, and we're going to go to 2 waterfalls and Heaven's Gate, which is like a famous temple. I actually can't say the temple, but I'll write it here. But yes, we're going to go there. Apparently the queues are ridiculous, so they can take up to 3 hours. We'll try and get there early. It's like 6:30 and try and get a coffee before we go because it's like 2 hours drive. Yeah, I'm really excited for the day. So I met these 2 girls at a somewhere social and was like, another one's a YouTuber too. I'll link her here, and the other one is just traveling. So it's really cool. We're having sort of like a content day. I haven't really taken many photos whilst I'm here. I haven't really recorded as much as I wanted to. It's going to be different when we go to Ubud because Ubud's my favourite place and I'm going to be doing loads of things there. It'll be really fun. I will show you my outfit. This is from TK Maxx, obviously. I'm obsessed with this hat. This is what I bought at the thrift sale. I don't actually know where it's from. This is just from Shein. Just a little skirt. All my stuff's in the wash, so I literally had to pop this together, but this should be fine. I've also taken a sarong with me and a top because you need to cover your shoulders when you're in temples. This is our driver and we're off on our little journey. Selamat jalan.
Ya.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
So we're here, so we have to pay obviously to get in. We try to get here as early as possible because it's apparently super busy. So we are here, we're about to get on the shuttle and hopefully it's not busy. Someone told me that they waited 3 hours to get a picture and this place is amazing. The pictures are fab. Obviously it'll be really nice to see as well. So. We are currently at Heaven's Gate. There is a proper name for it. I will put it here when I put this up. But we are waiting in line. So basically you get a number. When you get here you get a number and you have to wait for your number to be called to take a photo. And I realised as well that there's not actually water here. So in all the photos that you see it looks like there's like a lake or something in front of the gate, but there isn't. It's a mirror trick. It's really cool, to be fair. So yeah, we are just waiting here, waiting for our photos. yeah, I think we've got them on lock. Yeah, we're watching everyone else do theirs. Like everyone watches you. I'll show you in a second. But we're just discussing what we're gonna do. I know we'll get up there and just melt because everyone's watching you. I'll show you. The temple wasn't as bad as I thought. Just make sure you get there around 8-9 o'clock. Don't come at like 12 because it was getting quite busy as we was leaving, but it's really cool. You also don't need to bring your own sarong or cover up because they have it for you, and it's quite cool when you take it from them because it's so colourful. Like it literally matches my outfit. I'm so happy. And then with Courtney, she picked one that matched her outfit as well. So really cute, and it's all part of the experience. Hello, how are you? Yeah, so it was really, really fun. It's beautiful here as well. I'm obsessed. This is my current view. Yeah, honestly, it's so nice. Like Canggu is so nice, but it's so busy. Like this is so much nicer. It's like more like a countryside.
Semoga bahagia gitu aja. This one is okay too. Semoga bahagia.
Semoga bahagia.
Bahagia. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Next stop then, so we're at the waterfall. I actually don't know how to say it. Tenanganun, I think it's called. I think I'm saying that completely wrong. But yeah, we are here and we're going to see a waterfall. So it was another like 2 hours, I think, the drive here. It's so pretty and it's so nice walking through as well, driving through because it's so green and so pretty. I love it. So yeah, obviously we've just arrived here. We're going to head down to the waterfall now. There's some markets as well which are really cute and reminds me of Ubud, so it's making me excited to go there. Hello.
Hello, beautiful here.
Oh. No. Thank you so much. Oh. Thank you. Is it hard?
Yeah.
We made it! We're going swimming! We're going swimming in the waterfall. I think this is our last stop now. We were told that it was really hard to get down, but don't listen to them. It's not. Maybe it's harder to get up, but yeah.
Not as bad as I thought it would be.
No, not at all. The waterfall, oh my god, it's stunning. It's so nostalgic because I was here in 2019 with intro travel, so yeah, excited!
Welcome to Bali!
We're in the waterfall and swimming, and it's stunning. It's so nice. The water is a little bit cold, and the current is really strong as well. And I must have cut my foot about 1 million times. This is why I wanted Crocs. But yeah, so it's a bit stony, but it's worth going in the shore, worth going in to see it. I don't know if you can hear me actually. It's so nice. I love it. It's so nice to be in water. We've literally been around all day because it's so hot. So yeah.